What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a long time again. I've been really busy with either work and school. With all this corona shit going around, it's kind of hard to just find some content to make. And I finally found myself to actually do something and start vlogging again. So I got some new stuff for the Z, and I actually been hiding it from YouTube and all that, but I got a new car. I got a daily finally, so now I can start doing bigger things to the Z and save up more money to do bigger and better things for it. So, are you guys ready to see the daily? Let's get to it. So here we got the Z, and here goes the daily. Hell yeah. Got this 2015 Infiniti Q50S. This thing is awesome. I've owned this so far for about a week or maybe 2 weeks already, and I am just totally in love with it. Of course, I had to stay in the VQ game, and I got the 3.7 liter instead of the turbo, but you know, who cares? I love it. The best decision I think I've made so far. I got it for a really good deal, and man, it's just every time I look at this, I really can't believe that I own it. And sitting next to the Z, it's fucking awesome. Here's the inside of the Q50. Looks freaking VIP as hell. One of the first things I'm already gonna do is carbon fiber the whole interior. I already got the kit, and I'm going to install it today as well. So let's see how that turns out. Other than that, it needs tint, it needs carbon fiber mirror covers, it needs a side skirt or a splitter, and I already got a lip, and I already installed the LEDs logo emblem. Man, this looks freaking sick. The headlights definitely need to get done for both of these cars, and that'll really fix up the front end on both of them. I got two things for these cars. First thing is I finally got a spoiler for this car now. I got a newer spoiler, so I'm gonna knock that out today. And I got a carbon fiber spoiler for that one. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and let's go on from there. For the 350Z, I actually went with the Rocket Bunny replica kit. I know you guys heard of it, ZZ people out there. I got Bill Wing from Vicrest, and I even got the Wicker Bill. The old spoiler, as you guys know, I sold it. It wasn't fitting in right. I was hating the way it looked, and I was either gonna get it molded, but I decided to just not do all that, and I wanted to sell it, so I did. Wanted to go ahead and try a new spoiler, and this is the new one I'm gonna go ahead and try. So I was gonna go ahead and paint this to the exact color of the car, but since the front lip of the Z is black and unpainted, I'm gonna leave this one black, but I'm gonna paint it at least to like a gloss or a semi-gloss. If it looks great and it comes out great, then I'm probably gonna do this lip the same color, but that's not really my main focus because it's gonna get wrapped anyways. So I'm not sure when the day the Z is gonna get wrapped, but it will get wrapped. All right, so now I'm actually gonna show you guys the carbon wing, and here it is. I already took it all out of the box. Here it is. It looks sick. And I also got this one from Vicrest too. They sell a kit for it, and it fits perfectly. So all it is held down by 3M tape in the back, and it fits perfect within the trunk. So I love it. I can't wait to install it. And yeah, let's get to painting the spoiler. So I'm gonna spray it with Ultimate High Gloss from Rust-Oleum. It has a paint and primer, as you can see. So I think this should go well, but we'll definitely see at the end of the video how it turns out. I'm gonna start by cleaning the wing with alcohol and make sure every little spot and crescent of the spoiler is cleaned. So, but before we paint this, I'm actually gonna wash the cars. I'm washing both of them today because tomorrow I'm gonna go for a photo shoot Again, if you guys follow my Instagram, which is going to be at the outro of this video, you'll be able to see all the pictures that we're going to be taking tomorrow. So let's get to washing. Took the gold off those wheels already, and we're about to take off all the plastic dip from there. And I'm going to show you guys how to take off plastic dip if you guys want to one day. But all it is just the same little spray like Goo Gone. You spray it on the wheel and you take it off using a power washer or something. Alright, I'm going to first start off by cleaning it with soapy water, and after I get that done, I'm going to get some alcohol and clean it with that too. So just a lot of fucking cleaning. I barely did a little bit, and look how much dirt and stuff that came off. That's horrible. So you don't want any of that stuff whenever you come to paint it. So let's go ahead and start cleaning this up, and I'll get back to you guys. Cleaned up, we're gonna go ahead and give it a first coat. We're gonna do a very light coat, and then we're gonna start progressing from there. I might do like 5 coats or 6 coats on it. So we'll start with a light coat again, a medium strength coat, and then we'll just start like wetting it and doing heavier coats. And that's about it. So let's go ahead and see how this comes out. All right, we're gonna go for the second coat already, and we're gonna do medium coats on this one. All right, we got the second coat in. Not liking the way it's looking right now. It's looking very streaky, but we'll see by the end of the coats after we finished if it still looks like this. But either way, I don't really care right now because it's gonna get wrapped. So as long as it's just painted, looks glossy, then I'm cool with it. So I know this video is all over the place, but to show you guys how to remove dip from your wheels or whatever you're removing dip from, make sure you buy the whole kit if you want to remove it. This is from Dip Your Car. It's a dip dissolver. You pretty much spray it on there like you're spraying your rims to clean it or something. Leave it there for 3 minutes, come back and do it again, and with your fingers you can kind of move it, and once you can see that it's kind of dissolving, that's when you can pressure wash it, and you should be good to go. So that's as simple as that. I'll still demonstrate to you and how it works and if it works or not, but this better work because that dip dissolver is not that cheap. So yeah. So again, this is all you do, spray it. This one actually has a like orangey smell to it, so it smells pretty good. Come back to the next one. See all that dip on there that we could not remove. It was just a pain in the ass to try to remove by hand, so this was definitely something that we needed to do and buy. So hopefully this works after using the power washer. All right, so a little update. It actually worked. That dip release, dip dissolver really did work. I definitely recommend it if you guys are trying to take off any kind of plastic dip on anything. That shit comes off in like 2 seconds with the power washer. But yeah, back to its original color now. She got all the pink accents on this shit. Look at all that, bro. She got the rain guards. Hell yeah. Alright guys, so I did the carbon fiber interior. I did some of the parts in here. As you can see right here in the center console area. It looks pretty cool. Although I did buy it from Wish, surprisingly, and it actually came out kind of good. So I'm pretty surprised, but I'd still give it like a 5 out of 10 because the quality of it is just like kind of whack. But what do you expect? It's from Wish. So yeah, I'm gonna get the other parts, like this big one. There's another piece that goes right there in the middle. Obviously the ones on the door. But yeah, I mean, so far I wanted to give this a shot. And so far I'm okay with it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm okay. Alright, so I went ahead and actually just painted the whole thing already. Gave it about 5 coats. And I already was done with the can, so I just left it as is and started putting clear coat, and I used Rust-Oleum's clear coat on it too. So now I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit and settle. I'm gonna give it like 2 to 4 hours and come back to it, add the wicker bill to it, and put it on the car already and see how that goes. All right, so we went ahead and put all the cars in already, but for the Vicrest wing, we went ahead and taped it all up already. All right, there we go, guys. Got that finally in. Now on to the next. All right, here's the second one. And it was super easy to put this one on. Like I said, all you do is line it up, take the 3M tape out, and it's perfect. But that one was, damn, that was a hassle to do. But I got the wicker bill on, lined everything up, and it looks better. So man, these look awesome. It's the next day where I let it settle in for a little bit, and I had to put this tape on there because it was kind of lifting off a little bit on the sides and the edges. But I mean, obviously that's because I don't have any screws or anything on there, so it's all held down by 3M tape. And I decided to take the little plastic off from the wicker bill, so it kind of looks like just one piece. It looks freaking cool from this angle. Also, another thing, the paint did not last anything at all. I'm just gonna go ahead and get it wrapped whenever I get the whole car wrapped. So right now it's just gonna look like trash, but yeah, that's how it's gonna look like, guys. It's a new wing. Looks cool from the angle. That angle. But I mean, I think it looks pretty cool. Obviously I think it looks better with it painted, but I'm just gonna wait for that. But yeah, that's it for that one. And as far as the queue goes, I already showed you guys how it looks like. Hell yeah. But let me know what you guys think. Stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be around my birthday. We're gonna be going to the drag strip with the Z and actually get some times and see how well it performs in the strip. Obviously nothing's been done to the LSD, to the differential, sorry. We just put a new clutch in it, and this is the perfect time to actually try it out with the drag. I got a stage 3 clutch from Action. So yeah, hopefully this performs really well. I have all the cooling mods on here and performance mods that I think will hold up well at the track. So we'll find out on the day of. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bueno.